here's how to make the most delicious peppered chicken wings. These are quick and easy to make, and they're absolutely life-changing. So I always like to start with prepping and chopping my ingredients, because to me this is the least fun part. So here I've got half of a red onion and I've sliced this. I've saved the other half of the red onion for our pepper mix. I've got about a quarter of a bell pepper. I'm just going to slice this as well. You see I've got some Scotch bonnet on the chopping board. I've got one red bell pepper, which is going to make my pepper mix, and I'm also slicing up some spring onion, which is going to be used as garnish. Now I've got my chicken wings. I've got about 400 grams, and I'm just going to break this apart, take it away and wash it with water and lemon. Then I'm going to season it with some salt, some pepper, some chicken stock cubes and some chicken seasoning. I'm going to spritz it with spray oil and mix everything together. I pop this in a pot. I also add on top those onions that I sliced. I add some boiling water, and I'm just going to boil this away and cook it for 15 minutes. Separately, I'm going to prepare my pepper mix. So here I've got the red bell pepper, some Scotch bonnet, and also the red onions, and I'm just going to use a food processor to grind and blend this down, but have the mixture still quite smooth. My chicken wings are now cooked. You can either now deep fry them, or if you want it to be slightly healthier, use your air fryer. I've used my air fryer here, and I've done that for about 20 to 25 minutes. And now I'm bringing it all together. I've added a bit of oil to a pan. I add in some more sliced onions. That's about a quarter of a red onions. My bell pepper from earlier, and also my pepper mix. I season it with a stock cube, some curry powder and some thyme, and then I just let this cook down. Once my chicken wings are nicely fried, I add this into my pepper mix. I add a bit of the chicken stock that we created earlier on through cooking the chicken, boiling the chicken, and I toss this all together. When the mixture started to dry up, I add in my spring onions and I cook this down for a final minute or so, and then it's ready to eat. You know, if you love wings, this is a recipe for you. And if you love something nice and peppered, which we do in West Africa, in Nigeria, for example, then this is a recipe for you. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.